Yo, what is going on, guys? We are up and at it early this morning. You guys are in for a treat. We've got a heck of a vlog hopefully coming today. It does look like it is about to rain. Hopefully it won't. It has rained a lot in the past couple of days, but hopefully it is over now. But I'm headed to Ethan's right now. We are going to go metal detecting with his dad's expensive ass metal detector. We're going to the lake. Hopefully we can find like some fishing lures that people have lost, and I don't know, just some random stuff. You know, people lose all kinds of stuff while fishing. The lake is kind of low right now, so it's a good time to go. It kind of is not very legal to do this, but as long as you don't get caught, then I think it'll be okay. I mean, if you do get caught, all they're gonna say is like, don't do it. So I think we'll be okay. I'm headed his way now, and I'll talk to you when I'm with him. You just ruined my intro. We're out here at the lake. There's actually a lot of people here, if you can see all those trucks in the background, and that actually surprises me considering it's January. But this is a pretty frequented spot. Looks like some people been in mud bogging. I got the shoveler out here. I'm ready to go. Got the little bitty shovel in my boot. And hopefully we can find some good stuff. We got it on iron only, so like... And what the shit? I thought you said iron only.
Turn the iron mask on, it won't go off the iron. It cancels out iron.
I expect a lot of beer cans, but we'll get some GoPro shots. So for nothing yet. We'll go out to that island across the lake. Walk through the water. Oh, hello. I'll be onto something. No, it's right there.
I know, I climbed it.
Thought you were just marking it. We thought that initially we could cross this little piece of water over to that piece of land, but it's a little bit deeper than we initially thought, so I don't think that's going to work out, unfortunately. But there is an inner tube over there.
Apparently she didn't show up for online art school today.
Damn it, Whitney.
I think it's above the rock. Old timey beer tab.
Really old timey beer tab.
It's like an ancient beer tab.
So that didn't go as planned. The cops showed up. It is illegal, like I said earlier, to dig in the lake because they say that digging the holes and shit affects the environment of the fish. And I don't know, it's stupid, but either the rich people that were in the houses around, that like those huge houses, or the dudes in the boat called the cops. But I'd say it was the rich people, because I can't see the boat dudes. Like they probably didn't call the cops, honestly. But we're headed to McDonald's now, and I may talk to you when we get to McDonald's. I may wait until we go to our next spot where we're digging, but either way, I'll show you what we found later. We've already found a lot of stuff, but we'll find more at the next place, so I kind of want to get it all together in one video.
It's alright. Here. No, I'm gonna fall. I'm with. There's all around this tire where people got like tons of them already. Look at this. This one's old. It's got like the sinker still on it. These are all in pretty dang good shape. I haven't lost one.
Best one so far.
There's still probably more in this tire.
That is weird.
What?
That's a weird signal. Use that. Nope.
We changed locations. We came to this new place, and just look at the sheer amount of fishing lures we found. And we've only been here like 10 minutes. We got this one. It's a little jig. My finger is in the way of the camera. We got this one. We got this one, which is probably honestly the best one we've found so far. We got this one, which is just absolutely, if you know anything about fishing lures, like look at how old this is. Okay, the hook has the sinker like made onto it, if you can see that. The sinker is actually made onto the hook. This thing's old as, like, just really, really old. We got this one, which they all basically look the same. They're all neon green with spinners on them. But got this one that looks like a little fish, and it's got a sinker at the back of it. If you can see the sinker hanging off of the back of it. And the last one we found, we've only been here like 5 minutes, so we'll find a lot more, but this one is the nicest one we've probably found. It's got double spinners on it with like a red and yellow hook. What's up? Is that a playhouse? There's a line here, guys. I figured I would pull it up on video and see what's at the end of it. See, it runs like 7 different ways, so that's a problem. This is a lot of line. Look at this. There's line everywhere. Oh, dude! Yo, look at that. It's like the first one that was blue, but it's bigger and has, yeah. Look at that. I just pulled that up out of the ground. Just pulled that up out of the ground. Need to get it washed off, but that's so cool. Finished up at this the place that we just left, and we found so much stuff. And check this out. This is a hand grenade sinker. This is cool as heck. This is probably the coolest thing we found here, but we found so much fishing bait, it's ridiculous. And we're gonna go to another place and then call it a day. That'll be the last place we go to. It says, "Chaw, will you marry me?" Spray painted under it. We're under a bridge right now. And found one lure. It's not that great of a one, but it's better than finding nothing. That's the bridge we were just under. So this is everything we found on the day. This is a lock for a gun, and we found 3 golf balls at 3 different places, and we just found just a ton of lures, which a lot of it was on video, but you can see everything in here. I wanted to lay it out, but we never got around to it, laying everything out on a rock so you could see it all spread out. And we also found that, like, it's cheap, but it's a reel from a rod. You can see it. It's like right there. And we found quite a few rooster tails. We found a ton of sinkers, which are just all in like the bottom of this. But you can kind of see them down there, different sized ones and stuff. But that's going to conclude this. We're headed home now, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.